Which court has proper jurisdiction over a case? Imagine you have a problem that needs solving in the legal world. The first question is always, which court can actually hear your case? That depends on a few key rules about legal jurisdiction. Jurisdiction is the court's power to make decisions that are legally binding. It's like the court's authority to hear and decide cases. The first piece is subject matter jurisdiction. This means the court has the right to hear a specific type of case. For example, family law cases like divorce or child custody are usually handled in state courts. Bankruptcy cases go to federal courts. Federal courts can only hear cases involving federal laws or when people from different states are involved and the amount in dispute is over a certain dollar amount. State courts tend to have broader authority and can handle many types of cases unless they are specifically assigned to federal courts. Next is personal jurisdiction. This is about whether the court has authority over the person or parties involved. If someone lives in the state, the court usually has personal jurisdiction over them. If the case involves property, the court might have jurisdiction over that property in the state. The court needs to be able to requiring the defendant to appear and follow its rules. Then, there's territorial jurisdiction. This is about where the court can operate. State courts only have authority within their state borders. Federal courts have jurisdiction based on federal law and the Constitution, which can include cases involving federal agencies or laws. Finally, courts can have original jurisdiction, meaning they hear the case first. Or they can have appellate jurisdiction, which means they review decisions made by lower courts. When someone files a case, they must choose a court that has both the right subject matter jurisdiction and personal jurisdiction over the parties. For example, a divorce must be filed in a state court that handles family law and has jurisdiction over the spouses. A federal lawsuit involving a federal law must be filed in a federal court that has proper jurisdiction. If a court doesn't have proper jurisdiction, it cannot lawfully decide the case. Any decision it makes could be invalid. Courts can also check their own jurisdiction before they start hearing a case. Understanding which court has proper jurisdiction is essential because it determines where your case will be heard, what rules apply, and what remedies are available. It keeps the legal process fair and within the limits set by law. Proper jurisdiction ensures that courts operate within their legal boundaries, making sure justice is served correctly.